Good morning, everybody. Today I want to show you my stove in the kitchen. I use this stove for cooking, baking and hot water, and of course to heat this room. When I bought the house, this stove right here came with the house. It was all rusty. It's still a little rusty, but I added some features to it. First of all, this thing here is 1 meter long and the burning chamber is all of this. So from this side I can feed wood that is almost 1 meter long. I never do that because then I would have to open a window. It's getting so hot, so I probably only use half of it, but if it would be very cold in winter, I might have additional room to put wood in there. So the opening is right here. I added a window right here so I can see what's going on inside. Here I can cook on. There are rings inside this one that I can take out and then put the pan or the pot directly on top of it. Right here is an opening for baking. I've put some stones inside to save some heat. With the temperature sensor right here, most of the time it goes up to 100 degrees Celsius, up to 150, but I'm not pushing it. Another thing is very useful. I added a metal rod that goes inside, and inside it has the same hook as here. And you can see the hook inside moving. I can use it to rearrange the wood inside without opening the door right here, because then a lot of smoke comes into the room. Okay, the smoke either goes this way right here on the top and on the bottom, so it flows around this chamber. I can also manage it by switching this one. Here on this one side was one as well, but this one gone missing. Okay, so the smoke goes around it, goes through this boiler. I bought this additionally. It's basically a big pipe with a smaller pipe inside where the smoke goes through, and this heats up the water inside up to, let's say, 50 degrees Celsius, which is perfectly fine. The water comes inside in the boiler down here in the back, gets heated up, and up here hot water comes out and then goes into the smoke goes into the chimney. What else? I added some other features to it. Up here is a temperature sensor that shows me how hot the water is in my dashboard. And down here, you can see it right here where it drips a little bit, is a 300 watts heating element that heats the water with the electricity from our solar system. So even in summer, this boiler brings me hot water, and in summer I only heat it with the heating element. In winter I mostly heat it with this oven. The volume of this boiler right here is around about 50 liters, which is enough for 2 persons to comfortably shower, or 1 person and a washing machine. And yeah, so far I'm very happy with it because it's all in one place. I only have to power this oven, this stove, which I in winter times do anyway, so I always have warm water to shower. Some things I'm not too happy with is that it loses heat pretty quickly, so I might add some insulation around it. And it is made of steel, so it rusts inside. I already bought, I don't know how it's called in English. You put it in and then it stops rusting, and instead this rod that you put inside, it falls apart basically. And the heating element I added is with 300 watts, it's pretty weak, so it takes a lot of time to heat up this boiler. I have a timer function that I showed in my last video about my Node-RED dashboard, so I can manually heat up this water by adding the timer, and it just takes too long. So I bought heating element with 500 watts, so it goes quicker. I will wait until the winter is over, then I will take the boiler, add some insulation, put in the other heating element and this rod that should stop the water from being a little rusty. Alright, if you have any comments, please comment below and like the video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.